Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. So in this video I am going to create this digital watch in which we will create hours, minutes, seconds and also format yani session AM PM. So it's gonna be very fun and we will create this digital watch by our own coding. So guys video ko lazmi dekho. Now let's get started. So what I will do, so let me terminate all this stuff from here so that we can do all these things from the beginning. So okay, now this is our body and in this body I have created an h1 tag and also terminate with this onload method event. After that, in this Java code, this is in JavaScript and let me create it again script, and in this script first of all I will create an object that by the name of data, and I will also create date object and I will take the time from this date class. So what I will do, I will create here an variable by the name of hour, and here I will take with the help of this date object dot get hours. Okay, and let me copy Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, so here I will change the variable name, and this must be name minute, and this must be second, and also change the format. So get to seconds, and here we have to write seconds, not second, minutes. Okay, so we have taken from this class and this with the help of this object some hours, minutes and seconds, and we have stored all this in these three variables: hour, minute, second. Okay, that's great. After that I will create another variable and with the name of session, so that we can store in it by default for the first time AM. We know that there are two session AM PM in our digital watch in our timing format. So after that, okay, let me create a function. Let me cut all this stuff from here with the help of Control X. After that, in this Java code, let me create first of all a function so that we can easily call it in our HTML tag. Okay, so the name of the function must be clock, and after that create the body and paste the stuff. That's great. So we have created a function by the name of clock, and we have created and declared some variables, and also we have taken the date from this date class with the help of date object. After that we have to do something like we have to print our this formation. So what I will do, I will create, okay, not there here, I will create another variable by the name of like result. Okay, and in this result I will format my timing. So first R, after that concatenate, create a space, and after that concatenate, and minute, after that concatenate with the help of plus operator, format, and again concatenate, second, again concatenate and format, and again concatenate and session. That's great. So we have put all these three variables in format, and we have stored, I have created the format of our digital watch, and I have stored all these hours, minutes, seconds and session within single variable, that is result. Now I will pass this result to this h1 tag because this is our body section, and I want to print this session, my digital watch, in this h1 tag. So what I will do, so I will do nothing, I will create an object, and we create object for this with the help of document dot get element by tag name. Where are you? There. And now pass the tag name, and I know my tag name is h1. After that you have to write here index number, and I know my first tag number is consisted on index 0. Suppose if I have, and let me copy this and paste. Now in this body, in this HTML document, I have 3 h1. So I am going to tell my this object, this is an HTML JavaScript object, and in this object I have passed my tag name. Now in the above document I have more than one h1, I have 3 h1. Now I am telling my object that the first object at index 0, and I know the index 0 of first tag is this. So now let me terminate this. I hope you get my point. That's why I have written here 0 index. After that I have to write here inner text, because I'm passing this raise, I mean my watch, to inner text, inner HTML text. So now this raise will be stored in this object, and this object will pass it to h1 tag, and my result will be printed there. So let me open with live server so that we can understand the main funda of this. Okay, here nothing show, I don't know why. Okay, the reason is I have to call this function. I have to call this function within HTML tag, but I want to, whenever I open my page, load my page, then my digital watch must be started there. So for this I will use onload event, and here I have to call my function, and that is clock. So whenever I open my HTML page, then the function, this function within script, within JavaScript tag, will be called there, and whatever in it will be executed there. So let me open with live server now. But this digital watch doesn't work, it stopped. We have created our format, but it doesn't work. So for this we have to write here a built-in method that factor time out. And okay, here we have to pass two things. First we have to call the function, and that is clock, and after that here you have to give a time interval, so 1000 millisecond, because 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. So now let me open with live server and see our timing is start right now, but the format is not perfect. So I want to, whenever the R reads on 12, so I want to start again from 1. I means whenever it reads on 12, it must minus 12 from 13, so that it can start again from 1. So what I will do, I will do some logic. So here, first thing first, let me write here if condition, and in if condition I want, if the R greater than 12, it's mean 13, 14, 15, maybe whatever it is, then you have to give R minus 12. What does it mean? It means 12R minus, sorry, 13R minus 12 is equal to 1. It's mean whenever our R greater than 12 means 13, then you have to minus 12 from that 13, so that it can start from 1. That's why I put here a logic. Okay, that's great. Okay, sorry for the background sound, because here in our neighboring there is working on construction, so that the sound is not good. But okay, I will do another condition for this, because we have two formats for our digital watch, like AM and PM. So for this I will put I will take another condition. If R less than equal to, no, greater than equal to 12, mean 13, 14, 15, I means it will start, because we have here take a condition, it will start from 1 2 3 up to so on. But here we have to check a condition that if R greater than 12, then you have to change the format of AM to PM. So we know that our AM is stored in session variable, so here we have to update our session with PM. That's okay, that's perfect. Now let me open with live server. Now currently I have in my personal computer, in my PC, 9:14 PM, and now you can see in our digital watch the time is 9:14 and 33, 34, 35 second and AM. So we have created our digital watch by our own coding. So here you can copy the code, you can take screenshot. Let me zoom it out so that you can easily take screenshot. So you can take screenshot from here. Now if you have any confusion about this tutorial, about this digital watch, then you can comment for it, and like the video, share this video with your friends and family members so that they can get benefits from it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.